the 80-20 rule for paper. It's myOrganized.life live, June 17th, 2019.
Hello.
Happy Father's Day. No, that was yesterday.
Happy Monday. Happy Father's Day.
Yes,
late.
yesterday. For those fathers out there.
Do we have any males that watch us besides Nacho?
Yeah, let's see. Didn't we have the one guy from like Australia or somewhere else?
That was a woman from Australia.
Oh, was it? Well, hey, if you're a guy out there and you're a dad,
give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, thumbs up. Even if you're not a dad, give us a thumbs up.
Right.
Because we're desperate for any kind of social media proof for the show that we can get.
Exactly.
But because this is myOrganized.life Live, I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
And this is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, and today we're going to talk about the 80-20 rule.
80-20, that's the rule in...
What you've heard, it's called the...
paper, I think clothes.
No, they apply the 80-20 rule to everything.
Everything, okay.
I think it's called the Pareto principle.
Oh,
for those of you who want to like look that up.
The Pareto principle.
So the guy's name was Pareto.
Okay.
And so...
Well, he's a smart man, apparently.
And a lot of people have leveraged that for all kinds of stuff. In fact, we mentioned the 80-20 rule for paper back in a podcast.
Yes, we did, with Linda Samuels. Podcast 167.
Yes.
The podcast is 5 organizing challenges and how to overcome them.
Yes.
And one of them is paper.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Does anyone want to overcome paper? Yes, I think so. Okay.
I do.
So, that was 167.
Yes.
There's also a second part to this one. So
this is part 1, right?
Yeah, part 1. And we're just going to do a little bit of this.
Little baby clip.
The 80-20 rule. We're going to do 20% of the show. No.
Hey, there you go.
No. So we won't talk too much about how this applies. We'll let Linda Samuels tell you about the 80-20 rule for paper.
Is the 80-20 rule, which is applicable in all kinds of situations, but I want you to really think about it for paper. And really, in this case, the way that I use the 80-20 rule is that 20%, or I should say it this way. I can say it either way.
Yeah.
But let's do it the bigger way.
Okay.
80% of the papers that you file, you will never look at again. That's huge.
It's huge, yeah.
It's huge. So what I would encourage each of you to do that's really struggling with the paper piece, knowing that 80% of the papers you're hanging on to, you will never, ever look at again, keep less.
Yeah.
Recycle more. Shred more. You know, it's just going to lighten the load. And it's just the reality of it. I'm not saying to get rid of everything, because we do need some paper. We do need some backup for a variety of things.
Right.
But we don't need as much as we keep. Right. So that's really important.
Okay, so...
There you go. Do you have that problem at home?
Of course.
Yes.
I think it's like 90-10 for me.
I
mean,
know.
so much junk and paper, and you apply, again, you can apply the 80-20 rule to just about anything.
Yep.
But yeah, 80% of the paper we'll never see again or use. It's crazy.
It is.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wow. Okay. Well,
good thing to think about though when you're
think about that when you're trying to go through
bills
stuff.
and you think you should save them.
Yeah, I might need this someday.
You might need it.
Right? No,
Yep.
you don't.
No.
Okay. Good. Well, this week we are here a whole week. We think.
I think so. That's the plan.
We'll see.
It's on the books.
Always could be. We don't know if we'll have internet every day like last
true.
week.
That is true.
When Thursday's show was on Friday morning. So, but we'll do our best. New podcast this week. Diane Thompson.
Oh, okay.
She's a new guest, never been on the podcast before. So
what did she talk about?
Well, you're
Do
going
you
to have
remember?
to come back on.
Okay.
No, I can't.
That's fine. You said you'll have to come back.
But we're in the editing process right now. So you want to come back for that. That's Wednesday. We do that 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific. And then all kinds of fun stuff this week.
All right.
So we're glad you're with us. Glad Father's Day was a great success. You know, when you get to take a nap, it's always a great success.
I'm sure that's what you did, right?
Well, I do that every Sunday anyway.
That's right.
So, but anyway, we'll see you tomorrow, 2 p.m. Central, right here on myOrganized.life Live. It's the summer sale at myOrganized.life with 25% off office products like file folders, hanging folders, accordion files, and presentation products. You can get it at myOrganized.life. That's myOrganized.life. 25% off all products. It's our summer sale at myOrganized.life.